Hey, welcome in everybody. It has been brought to my attention that I misinterpreted the tube hanger drawing incorrectly. So apparently I wasn't the only one that misinterpreted. So I don't feel quite as bad, but I want to give a big shout out to Rampage Gaming 8434 for bringing this to my attention. So let's recreate the tube hanger, but this time let's do it correctly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to new, and I'm going to make it, this is going to be in English, standard, inches, and all that good stuff. So I'm going to go to English, standard. I'm going to click on the create. We're going to wait for it to open. I'm going to start a 2D sketch. I'm going to click on this XY plane. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw a couple of circles on this origin dot here. So I'm going to drag this out. This is going to be a diameter of 4. And then I'm going to make another one. This one is going to be a diameter of 3. I'm going to finish my sketch. I'm going to extrude this. I'm going to extrude it both directions symmetrically. This donut piece here, that's going to be a distance of 1.5. And then I'm going to click OK. What I'm going to do now is I want to see if I can share this sketch. Share my sketch. I want to start a new 2D sketch on the this right here, the XY plane. And then I'm going to pan over a little bit. So I'm going to draw a line from this bottom quadrant of this circle here, straight over. I'm going to come straight over to the left. This is going to be 5. I'm going to go straight up from there. That's going to be 2. And then I'm just going to draw a line. So yeah, the top of this line is in line with the center of the circle. I'm going to just draw a line here at the top. So, or I'm going to draw a line to the circle. I'm going to try my best not to constrain it to anything. So now I'm going to hit on my tangent. I want to constrain this line now to the circle, like so. And then I'm going to finish my sketch. Let me click on this corner here to flip this baby around this way. I want to extrude this symmetrically, and that's going to be a total of 0.75. All right, so then I can turn off this visibility of this sketch here. Don't need that anymore. So then I want to start a new 2D sketch on the side plane here. I'm going to start with a line, and I want to start on this bottom corner here over to the right. That's going to be 2. I probably could have did a rectangle there, but I'm going to go up 2 as well. I'm going to go back over 2 to this corner here, back down here. Now I'm going to get kind of fancy here with this kind of half circle here. So I'm going to go to the line tool, and I'm going to left click and hold on this bottom corner. So left click and hold that button down and kind of drag it over, up and around. Wait till I get to this corner here where they see that green dot, and then I'm going to let go of my mouse button. And then I'm going to click OK. I'm going to get rid of this vertical line. And then I'm going to draw a circle on this dot here. That's my center point. I'm going to drag this out. This is going to be a diameter of 1. And I'm going to finish my sketch. I'm going to extrude this shape here back the other way. I'm going to flip it, and that's going to be a distance of 1. And make sure we're not going to cut this. We're going to join. Use the join method. Bam. And hit OK here. So there's that piece. All right. So then it says we want to add a material of aluminum 6061. So I'm going to go where you see generic here. I'm going to go at the top, look for aluminum 6061. and then it applies our material on there. So that's the new and improved and correct version of the tube hanger. So I'm just going to go to File. I'm going to save this as tube hanger. Tube hanger. Hit save. If you want to do any kind of fancy options on your view, so you want to add shadows, change the lighting. Really that doesn't matter, but then I'm just going to save this again with my new goodies. Let me save it again just to make sure. Save. All right, so there's our brand new revised tube hanger. So yeah, if you look at the front, the bottom should be level like so, and we should be good to go. All right, peace out. Sorry for messing that up the first time. All right.